Welcome back to The Average Kitchen. Mark here with a C, coming to you from Canada. We started this new series, Jamie and I, this Amazon finds, finding these obscure, crazy gadgets, buying them and seeing if they're any good. This is a 2-in-1 chili corer, but it's for peppers. Very high-end packaging. Amazon, $10. Box was all beat to crap. Supposed to core a pepper quite easily, so they say. Let's find out if it does. It says it'll do 2 different sizes. Yeah, okay, so this one would be for more like maybe a large jalapeno or a poblano pepper. And this one's more for like a pepper like this. So it says you just line it up. Okay. Okay. All right, so Jamie just sort of came up with an idea on the fly here to core one like I just did. Let's cut it in half and see what's residual versus cleaning a pepper how I normally would. So as you see here, now this is a relatively big pepper. There's still some of the inside guts as well as some seeds. So now there's many, many different ways that you could cut a pepper. This is how I normally would do it. So that's how I always do it. So in my opinion, no waste, really. And when you look at this, there's a little bit of the white part inside that obviously you would just clean out slightly with the knife. But what do you think, Jamie?
And the time it takes you to cut it like that, I don't know if it's worth buying the 2-in-1 chili core.
I mean, did it take out the center, punch out the center? Yes. Would it maybe depend on the size of the pepper, the shape of the pepper, so on and so forth? Maybe. I just found the method that I use has always been pretty quick and easy. It doesn't make a mess of seeds. As you can see, there's 4 little seeds here on my cutting board. I believe were from this pepper. I don't know. Let us know in the comments. Would you buy this $10 pepper corer, or would you clean it old school like I did? That's our video. Really hope you liked it. Something new we're trying. Let us know if you want to see more. Send us ideas of gadgets that we can find online, and we'll buy them and we'll do a review on them. That's our video. We'll see you on the next one.